Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making Origami Bunny pouch. It's a simple model and you can use it to keep any messages or mini gift items. I'll be using 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper to create this model. Keeping the white side on the top, I'll be starting with the plus crease. Now fold this space into half. Then create a diagonal fold. Turn the paper and make a crease over here by bringing this tip to the center point. Now collapse the paper as shown. Fold the flap into 1/3 of the portion. So from this tip to here and this tip to here, it should be equal. Open the triangle and fold a small triangle down as shown. Lift this flap and place it on the left hand side and fold this flap by leaving around 2 mm gap from the center line. Repeat the same thing for the other side too. Bring this tip to this point and make a new crease. Fold back the triangle from this point to this point. Bring the side to the center crease. Align this flap here. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Open the model and go according to the pre-creases. Turn the model and by leaving 1.5 cm here, fold down the triangle. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Origami Bunny pouch is ready. You can use it to keep any messages or any mini gift items. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.